What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gents. I hope you're doing fantastic. Today we're going to explore some news covering Luna Classic, sure to blow your socks off and get you higher than a 6-inch bong. We're going to check it out together. We're going to look at Bitcoin, what else is looking hot in the markets at the moment. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. I implore you to, because I'm sticking around through the bear market, and on the 1st of December, I will be giving $1,000 to one of you lucky people to change one of you guys' lives before Christmas. So please do subscribe. That's really, really important. Now, let's check it out. Is Terra Luna going to explode? I mean, it's a question we have to ask ourselves. When we get into these accumulation phases, we can see it happen. Let's explore the crypto market first. FTX collapse is not a crypto failure, says Minnesota rep Tom Emmer. The newly appointed majority whip did not mince words when blaming Sam Bankman-Fried and SEC chair Gary Gensler for the industry's current state. So this is actually kind of good news. He's obviously saying that this sort of black swan event is not the end of crypto, and we will see a bullish reversal at some point. Bitcoin is just hanging in tight, chilling at 16.5k right now. What an attractive buying price, ladies and gents. Don't be scared when you see this price. It's a beautiful dollar cost average opportunity, in my opinion. $317 billion market cap. I mean, in a few years, maybe 3 to 5 years, Bitcoin could easily be over $100,000. So do you see this as a fire sale and an accumulation opportunity? It's rank 1. It's the best crypto. It will always be the best crypto. Digital scarcity, and it's in a real undervaluation phase, hovering in its fair value. It's not overbought. We're not in extreme greed. We're not in a bull market. So start accumulating slowly, gently, and softly. Right, so do those things. Now, what's happening with Terra Luna Classic? Well, chilling at 0.001625, just under $1 billion market cap. It's been a bit of a scary one, hasn't it? It's really been a scary one. It's been rocky. It's been just chopping down, lower lows, lower highs. It's looking rather bearish when you look at the macro scale. Nothing really great is happening, and it's quite sad to think that this year we have seen Terra Luna Classic, obviously have the devastating event. We can see classy crypto over here. Terra Luna Classic is heating up. We recently got notice of 4 proposals on Luna Classic. 2 are currently in discussion, and 2 are on Terra Station for voting right now. So we'll look at that very soon as well. We can see CZ is also telling you to buy some Luna Classic. Of course, it's not really. This is just some edit, but it's quite funny. I think these, moon boys really try their best to get the attention of CZ, with all the burning and stuff. So this is the price analysis, in my opinion. I mean, we are under the 20-day moving average here on the daily time frame, which is typically reflecting an accumulation range. Now, we have been getting constantly rejected at this 0.00017 level, and we got rejected again. So Luna Classic is still in a bit of a downtrend. We're putting through those lower highs still, as we can see, reflected by the candles at the top. Now, in my opinion, a really, really nice reaccumulation range is in this green rectangle between 0.00013 and I'd say the 1.5 level. So really nice sort of dollar cost averaging opportunities just there. We can see this long wick here from the 8th of November reflected just that. It was a big buy me right now, and then if you did, we make lots of profit, and we came down to this green rectangle. If you bought, you're in profit. Now, will we come down to touch this rectangle one more time? Will we do that? Because we could speculate that we are forming a bit of a symmetrical triangle right here. It is possible to touch down one more time around the 0.00015 level, and if we do touch down there, boy oh boy, it could be time to pack your bags of some more Luna Classic. So what we need to do is really get a breakout from this symmetrical triangle. As we can see right here, we need to see Luna Classic finally get a freaking move on and retest this resistance here at 0.000176. Maybe then we'll get a blast off to 0.00021. By the way, guys, if you're new to the channel, get yourself into my Discord down below. I'd love to see you there. Come and say hi. Don't be shy. There's over 3,000 people in this Discord, and we're exploring all the crazy pre-sales, which, by the way, are all live, and you should have a look down below in the comments and description section, because they all have 2 to 100x potential. And who doesn't love crypto freaking pre-sales? We all love pre-sales. I love pre-sales. You love pre-sales. Come on, guys. But of course, do your own research, not financial advice. But yes, Luna Classic looking pretty juicy for some long-term accumulation. I think over the next 6 to 12 months, we will slowly see the revival of Luna Classic. But for now, we are delving deeper into a crypto winter and things don't look good. Remember, we've also got the IBC channels to boost Luna Classic. As you see, Terra Classic core developers to reopen IBC channels. What does this mean? Well, we're not going to talk about what it means, but in terms of what it could catalyze, it says the governance vote will confirm the opening of the channels. This indeed will help the Luna Classic burn rate by bringing back utility to the chain. In fact, it may also help recover the Luna Classic price. So it's a bullish bit of news which is happening at the moment. It's in voting process, and in terms of the Luna Classic burning, we are still seeing an uptrend here. We're getting more Luna Classic burning, which is very, very good. That's what we want to see. But we're starting to slowly drop off now, so it's less linear, but it is still an uptrend. So we're not seeing anything sort of rolling over just yet. The burn rate is just reducing ever so slightly. So yeah, I think really, really good so far. 0.41% of the total supply has been burned. I'd like to see at least 50% in the next 10 years or something crazy like that. Crypto fear and greed index, we're still in extreme fear, but on the bright side, the fear is not as bad as it was in May 2022 following the Terra Luna crash. So with all that in mind, the markets will flip bullish soon, guys. It always happens. Fear and greed, these market cycles, they are like contractions and expansions. And the crazy thing is, if you look at it, if in a bull market to, experience the feeling of euphoria and thrill, you're looking at major moves of thousands of dollars for Bitcoin. But in a bear market, you're getting that same thrill of euphoria, excitement, etc., but just from a few $100s. So it's all waves. It's all about that fear and greed. And right now we're sitting in fear, and I would take advantage of that and be accumulating crypto today. I mean, that's what I'm doing. I'm buying Litecoin at the moment. I'm buying Ethereum, BNB, and also Bitcoin because they just look so juicy at the current price levels. So yeah, that's about a wrap, guys. Make sure you do subscribe to the channel. Check out the pre-sales down below. There are 4 really good ones. IMPT, Dash to Trade are my favorite 2. So don't miss out on those potential 10x's right there. And also get yourself into the Discord channel where we are talking about all things crypto. Anyways, have a blessed day. Subscribe. See you soon.